Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to securely set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick, Android TV, or any device. If you encounter any problems, don't worry. Just click the link in the description below or the pinned comment, and I'll personally guide you through it step-by-step for free. Let's get it done together. First, open IPTV Smarters Pro on your device. The application may ask you to accept terms and permissions. If you agree, click Agree. This simply gets the app running and installs any necessary components. When you reach the home screen, you'll usually have two options: use the M3U playlist or use Xtream Code's provider credentials. You can think of the playlist as a direct map to your channels, while the credentials method is a secure login that gives you access to your provider's entire catalog. Both methods are commonly used. Please choose the one provided by your IPTV provider. If you already have a legitimate IPTV provider account, choose the Xtream Codes option. You'll be prompted to enter three basic pieces of information: server URL, username, and password. Please enter the information exactly as your provider provides. Then click Add or Sign in. The application will connect, import your channel list and e-playlist, and populate the interface. If your provider offers an M3U playlist, select the playlist option. Paste the M3U URL into the box and add it. The playlist will load the channels and groups associated with that link. Again, only use playlists directly from legitimate providers you have paid for or registered with. If you're tired of searching for reliable providers, leave it to me. Simply click the link in the description below or the pinned comment, and I'll send you a complete hands-on setup tutorial for IPTV Smarters Pro, along with my trusted recommendations. We'll configure it all at once. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future great guides. Stay safe, use legitimate services, and see you in the next video.